Hello, everyone. This is Tate, the lawn cutting and rail fanning musician, and look what just came. I know it's in a box, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm using my monster light as a tripod plus some extra light. All right, here we go. Let's bring it over here so y'all can see it. I'll unbox it right here for y'all. What's that? Some bubble wrap. Oh, look at this. There it is. RGB light bulb. I'll put this in the big box right here. Look at that, YouTube. There it is. Look at that. There is our light bulb. And we also get, that's interesting. Did not give us the remote with it. Let's see. Well, here it is. There it is. Oh, there's the remote. Okay. So we have the remote. We have, this YouTube. So just like with the Spree and the Monster Bar, we have to pull the little tab in order for it to work. That looks cool. And it's got the buttons on there. That's really nice. It's got the different color modes. Well, I'm gonna put this stuff back in the box, and then I will go up. Now I am gonna have to do some of this, but I'll lay this right here with the lights, with my other light controllers. And I will come up to the bed and I will have to do some unscrewing. So here we go. Gotta maintain balance here, YouTube. Okay, so nice. It's not glass, it's like plastic, but here we go. Oh. That's not good. Unscrew the previous bulb. Ooh, yeah, I gotta fix that shelf system. Anyways, now time to screw in this one. Ooh, it's gonna fit. Yep. Alright, there we go. It is in. I will put this other bulb in a safe place. I will actually put it, this is the old bulb, the old LED bulb that was in there. I'll actually put this in the, I will actually use this box as a protective wear for the bulb. This little bulb right here. There we go. We'll look nice and neat. There we go. And now that everything is in, I will turn off the monster light and the other light, and we'll just try it. We'll try it all out. So go ahead and set this up there. I will turn off the monster light. So let me go ahead and do that. This is our new controller. Here's our monster controller. I'll go ahead and turn that off. And then I will turn off the other light. We shall see the moment of truth. I'll have to get up here a little bit more again. Oh! Nice. So, let's see what it does. Alright, that's actually, oh, sorry about that. That's actually pretty bright already. So here is the controller. Let me see, do I have the right one? Yep. Oh, no, that's the monster controller. Okay, I see what it was. Here's our controller. And we can do, oh, we got red, green. Oh, let me see. So we have, oh, that's weird. The Spreact turned on. Let me go ahead and turn that off. But we have, let me go ahead and turn that off. I accidentally hit the Spreact by accident. But there we go. We have, alright, let me grab the, there we go. Let me grab my light controller again. We can do the colors. So we have, there we go. There's red. So first we can do, we have red. There's red, green, blue. Oh, yellow, magenta, cyan, and we also have white. There's regular white. There's, oh, we got party mode. There's smooth mode, fade. Oh, there's party mode. Oh, looks like kind of a flash mode right there. Okay, but I will put it back on. There's cyan right there. Alright, and there we go, YouTube. There is our, that's my new RGB light bulb. So there we go, YouTube. There it is. New light bulb, new install. It is fairly bright. It actually lights up a good amount. Let me turn off the disco ball again. It is daytime still, but once nighttime comes, we'll do a full RGB video. I think what I'll do is I'll unplug the disco ball for that one, just so that way the waves don't interfere with the disco ball. But there it is. There is my new RGB light. There we go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Yes, this is going to be a lot of fun. I know, I'm excited too. Anyways, thank you for watching.